Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing an Amazon haul for you guys. And here's the packages right here. I have some more too, but anyway, so let's open this. It's supposed to be a shirt. Alright, so this is what the shirt looks like. Whoa, it's kind of big. Alright, so this is a gray shirt, brown, white, black, and green color. Alright, so this shirt right here is the company She's Yuki Clothing Company. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, but this is a extra large. They did not have my size, which is an extra large. So I just got this because, well, this size because maybe this shirt will shrink when I wash it, but I don't know. So this is my first time ever buying this shirt. Now this shirt was under $10, okay, which was, I think it was $7.99 for this shirt right here. So they had different colors, which is white, black, and red, and of course gray. Mm-hmm. All right, and I have another package. Oh no, I love this shirt right here. All right, this is a black and gold shirt. Yeah, look what this shirt say. Queen. Yes, all right. So this shirt is extra large. Okay. Came from the same company. But yeah, I like this shirt too. They have different colors of this shirt too, which is, I think they have gray and black. Yeah. This is my favorite shirt right here. So yeah. Um, yeah, this is definitely an extra large. So, but it really don't look like an extra large to me at all. I think kind of seem like a 1X because it's kind of wide, you know. Now, oh yeah, I had one more shirt too, which is this shirt right here. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. So yeah, this is a size extra large. So yeah, so this shirt right here is cotton, 100% cotton. It's not see through at all. This queen shirt isn't see-through. Now this shirt right here, hopefully, let me see. It's not really see-through, but it is kind of thin though, a little bit. So yeah, so I have some pre-stretched braided hair that I'm going to review as well. Came in this package right here. And when I seen how much hair it was, like, I was like, wait a minute. It did not look like that, on the website at all. But anyway, so this is pre-stretch hair, 18-inch, color number 2. And I got 8 packs of this here. So let's count it. 1, 2, 7, 8. So yeah, it's 8 packs of this here. So they got the number right. Okay. Alright, so they gave me crochet needle as a gift. Alright. Alright, so this is the hair company's name right here. And they give you, I would say a thank you. For purchasing their product. So yeah. Like I said, this is the hair company's name on Amazon. Alright. Now this braided hair was under $10. It was $9.99. Now, let's open one of these packs in here. Had to get them there, y'all. Alright. Like I said, on the website, right, the hair look thick. This hair that I have right here, this hair is not a lot of hair. Not a lot of hair at all to me. What in the world? This is what it looks like. So, since this hair really isn't a lot of hair, I'm just going to have to do small box braids or knotless box braids with this hair because, like, it's not really a lot of hair. The hair is definitely soft, okay? Doesn't smell at all. But like I said, I love the hair, I do. But I wish that they would just give me a little bit more hair, like on the little website, okay? But it's all good though, I can work with it. Because I have 8 packs of hair anyway, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so they have different colors as well. So this is definitely pre-stretch hair, you know? So yeah. Apex for this here. I think that it's a good deal though, but it depends on what style you are going to use when it comes down to this hair. Oh, wait a minute, this hair shaded a little bit. Okay, yeah, I see. It's just shaded a little bit. It's all good though, you know. So yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all of y'all. And, I'm all about, bargains and deals when it come down to hair and clothing, when it come down to shopping on Amazon, all right? So, yeah, y'all. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all of y'all. Okay? God loves you. I love you. I'm praying for all of y'all. Okay? So, be blessed. Peace out.